Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, coming up, 295 level, 62.5% retracement running up there. Remember, we're watching for a resistance zone by about 292.50 to 295. So he came up to that 295, closing back below that 292.50. Tesla's still not releasing their quarterly delivery numbers yet, so that's what a lot of people are waiting on right now. If we get back above 295, we're going to be watching a return to a significant level at 300 to 350 cents. And then above that, if it does rally above that, we'd start watching for about 306.75 to about 307. Now, if we start breaking down to below the 287.23 level, we will be watching first level of support coming in about 282, and then we'd be watching for this gap fill and the return to about 279 on a very, let's say something very bearish, like their delivery numbers come out very bearish. Then we'd be watching for a cascading gap fills down, with the next major area of support being about 275. Then below that, we'd be watching for 270, and if on extremely bearish, we'd be watching for a gap fill all the way down to 260. It's really going to depend on once they release their quarterly numbers and how everyone reacts to that. So key levels above today's high, that takes us into bullish mode with the bullish projections higher. Below today's low, or which essentially was the open, let's just see, the low was 287.17, the open was 287.32. So below 287.17, we'd be go into bearish mode, with them watching those numbers I called out, especially this first cross of the rotation zone, to see where, if that holds at all. Now it is in overbought territory, and it looks like we have definitely a higher high in price action. So far we do have, this is not confirmed, but we do have a lower high in the RSI. So if this starts pulling back tomorrow, that will be a confirmed bearish divergence. So again, breaking towards below today's low, we'll start watching for those bigger pullback levels. Now, if they release the report after hours or before hours and it's very bearish, then we'll be watching for the gaps beyond those key areas. So we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.